Hi guys! So, is debt a trap? Many people often complain that as soon as their salary arrives, a significant portion of it goes to repaying their loans or EMIs. We're all stuck in a monthly loop of payments that goes towards paying our phones or our houses or whatever it is. So, I'm going to give you a few tips and tricks on how to solve this. Tip number 1. List down your debts. List down all your payment obligations, the loans that you've owed to your friends, the loans that your friends owe to you, and every other financial obligation that you have. Tip number 2. Prioritize your EMI payments. Make sure you pay all your monthly payments on time, and this will help you save the interest from piling up. Tip number 3. Tackle the smaller debts first. Once you clear off your smaller debts, you can use that amount to repay the larger EMIs that you have. Tip number 4. Avoid taking new loans. Do not take any new loans until your existing loans are cleared or your income increases significantly. And finally, tip number 5. When 75% of your debt is cleared, start investing. Once you clear off 75% of your debt, start investing in either recurring deposits or systematic investment plans. This will help you provide for a safe and healthy future. So once all your debt is cleared, you will be able to use only your savings to cover up all your expenses. So you can be financially fit and then no debt can trap you. So get fit financially.